welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm starting off the intro in the car again because we are on a mini road trip. Right now we are traveling to Hollywood, Los Angeles. The reason why we're going to Los Angeles is because we wanted to do something fun and also celebrate my birthday a little bit more. So I decided to go to LA for the day because it's like the closest thing to us that we can like explore and do some fun activities up there. We do kind of have a pretty busy agenda. We want to go to a museum, we want to probably explore the Walk of Fame as well as the urban lights at night, and then we also want to check out Universal City Walk. We'll see how much we can get done because we're only going to stay at night, but we decided to leave early this morning so that we can have like the full day today and then like half the day tomorrow before we head back home. But yeah, so we'll see what we can get done because we are traveling with our son. So usually traveling with the baby, we're on his schedule. So hopefully he does good for us most of the day. So far for this 2-hour drive, he slept most of the way. So he got a good nap in. Right when we get there, we're gonna have some fun. Right now he's eating some puffs. Huh? You enjoying your puffs? And then we have Dad driving for us.
Hey guys.
Whoa, it's tiny.
I know.
413, yeah. To the left?
Yeah, it'll be to... No, to the right, to the right. Literally right here.
Oh, nice.
Let's go back. Oh, here.
Nice. A corner room?
Yeah.
413.
So let's see how that... Oh. Give me a second.
Thank you, sir. Ooh, that's nice.
This is cool. Whoa.
Hollywood.
Wow, the bathroom's behind it. Nice. It's pretty big.
Ooh, a full outfit mirror.
That's cool.
Ooh, this is nice.
Wow, that's the pool area?
Where?
That's cool.
We should have brought our swimsuits. Pool
That's a cool little area.
That is.
Little
Cabanas and everything.
This is nice. This is a cool one.
I love it.
Thank you. Go, Pop, go. Go, Pop, go.
And a king size bed for us. You're in Hollywood. Okay, this is the outfit of our days. I just have a nude crop top on, jeans, and then my new shoes hubby got me for my birthday. And Santino has on a little onesie, shorts onesie.
Comfy.
A nice
fit.
polo, some shorts,
Yeah.
and you're wearing Vans.
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Go,
go.
Yeah, yeah.
Yay!
What, you want to go
We're
back on
living
the bed?
fancy.
He's like, this is my favorite part.
I know. This is my favorite part, is like the Hollywood thing.
That's cool.
He's on the go.
He's like, it's nice
He's
and
gonna
fresh,
sleep
guys.
good.
Yeah. Because it's nice and fresh, huh, Pa?
I love all the mirrors, all the golds,
It's
like
really
little,
open.
how would you say, gold decor.
Here you go, Pa. This is chill.
So we just settled into the hotel. My husband went to go get us some Chick-fil-A. It's like the closest thing around here besides like McDonald's and Jack in the Box. I'm personally like kind of over those. So we settled for Chick-fil-A. We're gonna eat, kind of relax right now, and then in a little bit we have our appointment, or not appointment, we have our booking at the museum we're gonna go to. We're gonna be going to a 3D illusion museum in Hollywood, the Walk of Fame. So yeah, but we brought some snacks. We have these Captain Crunch treats. I really like these Nutri-Grain bars. Got some barbecue Pringles. Santino. Dude, hey, you can't push me off. And then we have Chex Mix. I love the bold flavor. Dude. And then can't forget the baby's puffs. He loves these. Excuse me, sir. Here, puff. Okay. Yeah, so we got the baby some puffs along with some teething crackers. Here you go. And some nerd clusters. I've never tried these before, but I've been wanting to try them because everybody has been like obsessed over them. And yeah, so those are our snacks for the hotel room for those late night cravings and whatnot. I'm excited for this trip and I can't wait to see what we end up doing and all the fun we have. This is our first trip as a family, like just me and my husband and my son. The first trip we took was with my parents. So this time we're like all alone with our son. So I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. It's just us three. And yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna make the best of it. So should I go with the small one? So how should I go? Like,
All I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance. Oh, baby, all I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance.
I'm so excited for this. Alrighty, so we went to this place called Two Hands. Pretty popular. Ooh, hey! Oh, your sauce on the side, huh?
Yeah.
So I got the
Whoa.
half and half, half beef, half cheese with hot Cheeto dust, and then my husband
It's
got
number 2 with 2 signature seasoning. It's Two Hands, it's called, and then it's got like ranch on the side.
Ooh, you wanna go first?
Yeah, if you want to. I got half mozzarella, half sausage.
Half mozzarella, half sausage. And we're at this like pretty view.
It's got some weight to it.
Let's see. It's his first time trying. Ooh.
Oh my god.
How's it? Yeah?
Hot, careful. Where it go?
You like the fried? How it's fried and
It's better
everything?
than a regular corn dog. For sure.
Yeah. Okay, my turn.
Right, try it out.
Let's see. Woo. Oh my god. That is amazing. The hot Cheetos is good, but there's still like a sweet.
I taste something sweet too.
Yeah, huh?
I think
Maybe
it's
it's the
the
batter or the cheese.
Maybe
You wanna try
batter.
mine?
No thanks.
Why?
I don't want that hot Cheeto dust. That sounds gross to me. It's like eating a sandwich with chips in it. I don't like that either.
Oh my god.
Chips. Careful. That was a close one.
Mmm. Our bomb.
That was pretty good.
We're approaching the urban lights. We've never seen these in person. As many times as we've came to Los Angeles. What? Oh, UPS. I'm so so excited. Look at how nice.
Cool.
It is really pretty. Wow, to see it like in person. We'll try that first. Let's try to take Santino's 11th month pictures.
Yeah. Whoa.
Here's Santino's outfit. He has a Jurassic Park mint shirt and some cargo shorts. Very cute and handsome. 11 months today, huh? You're 11 months? Yes, you are. Next month you're gonna be 1. I'm sad. Green shirt.
Yeah.
And
Adidas.
black shorts and Adidas.
Black shorts and Adidas.
And I'm going simple today. Just black shirt, some light jeans, and sandals, but I think I'm gonna change into my Nike shoes I wore yesterday. We're about to check out right now and go to City Walk. The hotel's a mess because we have everything all just here. I loved this hotel. It was like just so spacious and clean.
Yeah, close to everything too.
Yeah.
Good walking distance to the main.
It was like a 10-minute walk to Universal. No, sorry.
No.
Sorry.
The walk of fame.
Hollywood.
Whoa.
So we pretty much walked because over there, like, there's no parking.
Yeah.
And it wasn't a bad walk. It was good, so. Oh, I need to change my shoes to shoes. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Come on, guys.
Have the baby packed and ready to go. Big boy holding his puffs. We're here! So we decided to get Firehouse Sub. Our first time trying it.
Let's go.
Yeah. You got turkey?
Roast beef and turkey. So similar to what I get at Jersey Mike's. I always love sandwiches.
And I also got turkey. And a pickle. Let's try it out. Ooh. Pepper jack cheese. Yeah. Like, I don't know the word.
Throw it in the oven real quick, but kind of like Subway. They're like, you want cheese, and then they melt it, and then they put everything else on.
But Jersey Mike's doesn't do that.
No. But if you want a hot sandwich, then they like put the meat on your grill. That's right. Up above.
Whoa. That hit my soul. I'm not really a soda drinker. Love this. Just finished eating. And it was pretty good. I'd come again. But both of our first options, we prefer Jersey Mike's. More fresh. Thank you for Okay, you're good. That's cute. Hey, what are you doing? Hey. It's gonna shoot up your butthole. He didn't like it. It's gonna grab. It's a, oh, you were so close.
It's okay, it's okay.
We're going to Voodoo Donuts. I vlog so like down because I'm so shy.
We got them all right there.
How pretty.
Don't think my dad's work.
Your dad's work,
At the
yeah.
bakery.
Whoa.
We don't.
Oh, I thought we did.
I
Oh.
think you want to look at the menu.
Should we look at the menu? Or there's some in there?
There's some.
Wow, so pretty. Their menu is huge. All those donuts. Ooh. And then there's a display of donuts. How pretty. So cool. I don't know what I'm gonna get. So we're back in the car and let me show you guys which donuts we ended up getting. We only got one each, not to go overboard, but my husband ended up getting like a pink Homer Simpson looking donut. I'm assuming it's strawberry. I ended up getting, it's a chocolate donut with peanuts and caramel. Whoa, that looks delicious. They're actually a lot bigger than what I expected. I thought they were gonna be more smaller, or like the picture when we were ordering, they looked smaller, but they're pretty good size. But right now we are on our way home. Our trip has come to an end. It was a nice mini trip. We did so much, I feel like, within like a day and a half.
It was pretty good amount.
So we got everything off our agenda that we wanted to see, which is good. And yeah, I thought it was gonna be like, since we were only staying one night, I thought we were gonna be rushed and everything, but no, we took our time. We even went back to the hotel room sometimes, just relaxed, chilled, and then went back out. So I'm happy we at least got to, you know, relax as well as like saw a lot of stuff. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My time with my family, our first outing together, and yeah, just good memories to look back on. Santino knocked out right when we hit the freeway. He was so tired. And we are stuck in traffic.
LA traffic, guys.
Like 5 minutes in. So right now it's 1:48. We'll see what time we get home. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here and hopefully those donuts are good. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video.